All right, so this is where we're at right now. I just got a couple of tacks up top on both sides holding it in, and then the magnets are doing the rest of the heavy lifting there. So it's looking pretty damn good. And then let's say we're pretty level. For doing it on an uneven floor and a uneven table, to try and level that out, that's just a big sheet of 10 gauge that I laid across. So it seemed to help out. Probably if I put a heavier piece of metal on there, it'd lay flat. But the only other heavy sheet I got big enough is 1/4 inch. And that thing just weighs too much to be manhandling around. So this is where we're at. I'm going to finish welding this end up here, and then I'm going to figure out, do I want to keep with the triangle style gusset, or do I want to do some Schedule 40 pipe rounds in there? So we shall see. Check back with you here shortly. All right, we got that top tray all burned in. Like I was saying earlier, I don't know if I want to use gussets like those down there, or if I want to use a piece of Schedule 40 like I did. Oh, right there. But with that being said, I'd say that's money. I don't think you could get much more level than that, bud. So, what I got left to do is quite a bit, actually. I mean, just a bunch of little things. One, I need to decide what kind of gussets I want to put here. Two, I need to grind these down because I was playing with the settings on the welder and get all the welds ground down. Where is... Yeah, some of these look like crap. But honestly, I think that one looks the best. But it doesn't matter. It's all going to get ground down anyway. So, what I got left to do, back to that, is I got some 5/8 solid bar stock, round bar. I'm going to use to make axles. I'm going to put some wheels on here and up here. And I need to cut out some plate to make the trays for down there and up here. So, and then I'm probably going to take something like that, minus the magnet, just a bolt like this, and weld it on. That way you've got a place to hang your hat, call it home. Something like that. Also, you can hang your clamps or what have you. I might take a piece of angle iron and hang it off here, so you can take your grinder and set it down in there. Hold on to that. I'm tossing around the idea of building a drawer to go under here to hold like consumables, extra tips, wire, gloves, clamps, screwdriver, you know, basic stuff you would need when you're welding and fabricating. That way you don't got to pack around a toolbox or keep stopping and going back to the toolbox, what have you. Or if you're like me, where you can't work in the garage on your project vehicle. So that is the ideas in motion currently. The for sure thing is going to be the axle and the wheels, and I'm going to use the larger wheels. I believe these are 10-inch wheels. So nice and heavy solid rubber, great for this type of floor, driveways, dirt, grass, that type of crap. So anyway, we will make some more progress on this, and we'll check back with you shortly.